Hey everybody, it's Kathy from Elk Studio, and today I will be doing a tutorial on the Southern Pebbles poncho. So in the pattern it tells you multiples of 3 plus 2, so we'll do 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And then the pattern will tell you to single crochet and 2 double crochet in the second chain from the hook. So here's 1 and then there's 2. So we'll do a single crochet and 2 double crochet, all in the same chain. You're going to skip 2 chains and single crochet. I've done these chains loose just so you can kind of get an idea of it. And 2 double crochet. Again, skip 2 chains, single crochet, and 2 double crochet, all in the same chain. And you should have 3 remaining chains left when you get to the end, and we do 1, 2, and 3. So you'll skip the first 2 and then you'll just do a single crochet in the last chain, and then you will turn your work, and it's just going to be a repeat. So let's do a chain 1, and then we will do a single crochet and 2 double crochet in the first stitch. Single crochet, 2 double crochet, skip 2 stitches and single crochet, 2 double crochet, in the next stitch, skip 2 stitches, single crochet, 2 double crochet, and then you should have 3 stitches left, and we do, so you'll skip the next 2 and you'll do a single crochet in the last. And that is it. That's what you're going to be doing for the entire pattern of the Southern Pebbles poncho. You'll just be repeating this second row right here. So if you have trouble, just go back and review the second row. And that is it. I hope you liked this video. Be sure and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.